question number 7 from the workbook of level 3. So now here in this particular numerical, a question has been given regarding the linear expansion, and there are two different rods. What happens if both the rods are being connected, and then what will be the coefficient of linear expansion of that entire joint of these two rods? So that thing we are supposed to find it out right now. So see now, an iron rod of length 50 centimeters is joined at an end to an aluminum rod of length 100 centimeter. All the measurements refers to temperature 20 degrees Celsius. The coefficients of linear expansion of iron and aluminum are 12 into 10 power minus 6 per degree Celsius and 24 into 10 power minus 6 per degree Celsius respectively. So the average linear expansion coefficient of the system is. So it means that now here in this particular numerical, the length of iron is given to us. Li equal to 50 centimeter, and again length of aluminum is given to us. Length of aluminum is 100 centimeter, and again alpha of iron rod is given. Alpha of iron rod, it is given as 12 into 10 power minus 6 per degree Celsius, and alpha of aluminum is given to us, that is 24 into 10 power minus 6 per degree Celsius. And now here what we are supposed to find out. Okay, see now. Let me explain this one. So here there is first one iron rod is there. Iron rod, let me say it is of aluminum type. If it is of aluminum iron rod, and the length of this aluminum is 100 centimeter. The length of this aluminum is 100 centimeter. To this aluminum, another rod is connected. That is, iron rod is connected. This iron rod is connected to this aluminum, and the length of this iron rod is 50 centimeter. So now here the combination of these two, rods, that becomes as we call it as a composite rod or composite system. The combination of composite system is here now it is 150. Now the entire thing has been combined. There is 100 and 50 is combined in order to make it as, now this entire length becomes as 150 centimeter for the composite rod. Okay. So now here the composite rod's length is equal to 150 centimeter. That means L of CR equal to 150 centimeter. What you are supposed to find? We are supposed to find it is a linear expansion of coefficient of system. Composite system you should find. So for this one, let us do it with the help of change in length. So change in length of this composite we are supposed to find. So change in length of composite rod will be always equal to the amount of change has taken place with respect to iron plus the amount of change in length has taken place with respect to aluminum. It means that if you can find it out, the change in length of iron plus the change in length of aluminum, then the combined change in length of these two rods will give me the change in length of composite rod. So now it is equal to change in length of composite rod is equal to change in length of iron plus change in length of aluminum. So this becomes my formula for this particular problem. So what is delta L? We know the formula for delta L is equal to L times of alpha delta T. That is our formula for this change in length. So I am writing the formula for this length of composite, aluminum of alpha of composite, and delta T. That is equal to, then again change in length of iron, because there is temperature is same for anyway for this one. So that's why I have written delta T instead of writing as delta T of CR. So change in length of that is length of iron, alpha of iron, change in temperature, plus length of aluminum plus alpha of aluminum into delta T. You can see that delta T will get cancelled. Once all the delta T's have been cancelled, then alpha of CR, there's a linear coefficient of this particular composite rod will be alpha I plus length of iron, length of aluminum plus alpha of aluminum over length of composite rod. Now if you substitute all the values, you will get the answer for this one. What is the length of this one? length of iron is 50. 50 into what is alpha of iron? Alpha of iron is equal to 12 into 10 power minus 6 plus what is length of aluminum? Length of aluminum is equal to 100. 100 into 24 into 10 power minus 6 divided by length of composite rod. The total length of this composite rod is that is 150 centimeter. So it becomes 150. So if you solve out this one, your answer will be 20 into 10 power minus 6 per degree Celsius. So this will be your answer. If you solve this particular problem, you will get answer as 20 into 10 power minus 6. I hope students you have understood this particular numerical. Thank you.